Hey, Mayhem here at the Woodland Valley Trailhead for a day of fun in the Catskills. We'll be hiking the famous Wittenberg Mountain, and if we're feeling ambitious, maybe Cornell Mountain along with the famous Cornell Crack. So, as I always say, let's get hiking. And so we get started on our hike and leaving the parking lot. Kind of almost looks like an old road for the trail. And so we leave a bunch of campsites for the trail itself, with varied growth along it. Well, ain't this just gorgeous? And this is right at the beginning of the hike. This looks like an awesome chill spot for the public here. And it's starting off strong with us. Beautiful trail, but it's already starting out steep. The greenery and the rocks are just beautiful. It's just massively beautiful. Love the features of this trail. They are awesome. Just lovely and refreshing. Nice refreshing breeze along the way. I'm finding this to be a pretty remarkable place for sure. Would you just look at the beautiful stonework on the side of the trail? Sunsplash is coming out. Ain't it grand? And up we go again. Now I see what they mean by there's never a casual hike of this mountain. Listen to that beautiful wind. And here the mountain's been giving me a little break here. I guess before the final push. Listen to those birds. Hard to tell if that was made by man or made by nature. What do you guys think? I love hopscotch. Just beautiful. Holy crap. Well, shoot, you guys warned me, didn't you? But you know me, right? been a nice comforting grade since we passed the first part of this mountain. Rocky but comfortable. It's like a consistent walk along small rocks, and the sun dances around them beautifully. Telling you guys right now, this has just been a gorgeous trail, and so far I highly recommend it. And it would appear we are finally headed upwards again. I love the wind and the beautiful bird song. A lot of the riverbeds are dried up, which probably makes this hike easier. I swear that birds are man's best friend when you're in the woods. Got a late start, but it seems like I'm on track to summit Wittenberg before turning around at least. We'll see about Cornell. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say so far this hike's not that hard. It's not really that technical. You just have to know where you're stepping. And it's very steep in the beginning. But then it gives you like over a mile of a relative break. It's not relentless like some are saying. Forgot to photograph the lean-to, but this is just after. The sign said 1.3 miles to the summit. It is so peaceful right now. This is just beautiful. We're close to the summit push. Should be less than a mile to the summit. Loving the breeze right now, as well as the reflections from the sun. It's just fucking gorgeous. Telling you guys right now. Would you look at this? Awesome. I'm gonna need my hands for this, but this is cool. Well, if it's a challenge we wanted, it's a challenge we shall get. Wow, just look at this. Very steep, but gorgeous with all the moss. Oh my word, this is one beautiful scramble. I'm gonna need my hands for this, but definitely needed to show you guys this one. And no, I'm not gonna put my camera down to retrieve. Well, I don't feel so bad now. I just came across some younger hikers and they're pretty exhausted. Although they came from the other side. Those birds are cute. Guys, up here on Wittenberg Mountain, getting ready for the final summit push. Just had some water. Everything's going good. It's approaching 5 p.m., but we should be done soon and head back down the mountain. This is just fantastic. It's not far now. Oh yeah, it's not much further now. Okay guys, I think we're approaching the summit view now, finally, of Mount Wittenberg. And here we go as it opens up. Oh yeah. We will try not to disturb this artist here as we catch a view out into the valley. Yep, a few more feet to tag the actual summit and we'll be there. Well, that was a really fun hike, and it has convinced me that the Catskills are not just a glorified version of the Berkshires, and I will definitely be back, and I'll be bringing you guys much more content from here. Until then, if you want to see more beautiful things, smack that subscribe button.